Yes, children, let's do one question based on the concept relative velocity. The concept and some simple questions also in the previous class we have done. Let's do the textbook exercise question number 3.8. It's a textbook exercise question, children. On a two-lane road, car A is traveling with a speed 36 km per hour. Car A is traveling with a speed 36 km per hour. Then two cars B and C approach the car A. B is approaching the car A. C is also approaching the car A with the speed given 54 km per hour. Okay. So in this case, two directions are coming in the same case. So if one direction is positive, the opposite direction should be considered as positive, negative. You know that. So if the speed of car A, I have written plus 36. Since B is also moving in the same direction, so VB will be plus 54 and kilometer per hour. And since C is moving opposite to that of A is moving towards right, so C is moving towards left. So I have written minus 54 kilometer per hour. Okay, now continue the question. At a certain instant, when the distance AB equal to AC equal to 1 kilometer, AB equal to AC equal to 1 kilometer, B decides to overtake A. B decides to overtake A before C does. मतलब C A को overtake करने के पहले B को करना है. ठीक है. So for that, what minimum acceleration of the car B is required to avoid an accident? तो क्योंकि the two lane road है, तो if दोनों में अगर एक साथ आएगा तो when both approach the car simultaneously, accident will occur. So before that, before C overtake, B have to overtake. So of course B has to accelerate for that. What is the minimum acceleration required? That is asked in the question. Okay. So here VA is equal to 36 km per hour hai. Let's convert it into meter per second. So 36 into 5 by 18, that is 10 meter per second. Okay. Then accordingly VB equal to 54 into 5 by 18, 15 meter per second, and VC is minus 15 meter per second. Okay, children. Now since all are in motion, we have to find out the relative velocity. So velocity of car C with respect to A, VCA, we know the formula, vector VCA equal to vector VC minus vector VA. So VCA equal to VC minus VA. VC, what is VC? Minus, we know that. No, everything I have explained in the previous class. So minus 54 minus VA, and VA is 10. So minus 54 minus 10. Sorry, here this minus 54 is in kilometer per hour, no? That already we have converted into 15. So minus 15 minus 10. So minus 25 meter per second. VCA we are getting minus 25 meter per second. Means velocity of the car C with respect to A. That is minus 25 meter per second. So how much time C will take to travel this distance 1000 meter? Kitna lagega time? We know that time is equal to distance by velocity. Distance is 1000 meter. 1000 divided by 25. Time scalar quantity hai no? So 40 second. So for the car C to reach A with that velocity 25 meter per second, it will take 40 second. Okay. So to avoid an accident, B has to cover this distance 1000 meter in a time just before the time 40 second. So some acceleration is required. Why acceleration is required? Let us see. Let's find out the velocity of the car B with respect to A. Vector VBA. Vector VBA means vector VB minus vector VA. So, and what is VB? VB is plus 15. minus VA is 10. So 15 minus 10, that is only 5 meter per second. Okay. So where VCA was 25, VBA is only 5 meter per second. So that is why in the question, of course, B will have to accelerate, because the relative velocity is only this much only. B and A are moving in the same direction, no? So that's why the relative velocity is coming as plus 5 meter per second as per the given values. So of course, B has to overtake for that and accelerate for that. How much is the acceleration, that we have to find out. So we know the formula, S is equal to ut plus half at square. What distance is to be covered? 1000 meter we know. And velocity, relative velocity, what is the relative velocity? 5. Time is 40 seconds plus half a t square means 40 square. So 1000 is equal to 200 plus half a, 40 into 40, 1600. So it's 800. So 1000 minus 200, that is 800, is equal to 800 A, or A is equal to 1 meter per second square. So what is the minimum acceleration required by the car B? 1 meter per second square. To avoid the accident, the B should accelerate. If B has to overtake A before C does, A of course has to accelerate by what rate? By 1 meter per second square. Hope it is clear, children.